Role of social agencies in promoting peace education. Meaning, need and importance of higher education. The present lecture has been prepared by Dr. Shokeen Bilal, who is presently working as an assistant professor in the discipline of education. Various social agencies that can promote peace are family, mass media, community, school, college, religion, NGO, government agencies. Let's us first understand how family can play a role for promoting peace. Family is the first and most vital agency of shaping the behavior of the child. In the family, people are connected by blood relations or closeness or intimacy. Family is said to be cradle of social values. Familial relationships are undoubtedly important. Peace education should start from the family, having power to shape the attitude of the child towards decent human relations. Promote open communication and dialogue among family members to address conflicts peacefully. Teach children about the importance of respecting diversity and human rights. Religion and peace education. Religion can be defined as a system of norms and values that are based on the belief of a supernatural power. Strong bond between people on the basis of their faith. Promote religious teachings that emphasize peace, compassion, and forgiveness. Encourage interfaith dialogue and cooperation to bridge religious divides. Engage religious leaders in advocating for peace and addressing religious-based conflicts. School and peace education. A school is a place where children are educated. Provide conducive learning environment for the students. Incorporate peace education into the curriculum, teaching conflict resolution, human rights, and social justice. Create a safe and inclusive learning environment that promotes diversity and tolerance. Encourage extracurricular activities, such as peace clubs and Model United Nations, to engage students in peace-related initiatives. Mass media and peace education. The media used for the masses to communicate something are called as mass media. Technology intended to reach a mass audience. Newspaper, magazines, radio, TV, cinema, internet, etc. Raise awareness about the consequences of violence and conflicts through news reporting and documentaries. Feature stories and programs that highlight successful conflict resolution and peace-building efforts. Disseminate educational content through various media channels to reach a wide audience. Community and peace education. A group of people living in the same place or having a particular characteristics in common. Community environment having direct impact on peace education. Organize community-based workshops, seminars, and discussion groups on peace-related topics. Establish conflict mediation and resolution programs within the community. Encourage volunteerism and community service to foster a sense of responsibility and solidarity. NGOs and peace education. Design and implement peace education programs targeting specific communities or demographics. Provide resources, training, and support to individuals and communities engaged in peace-building efforts. Advocate for peace-related policies and initiatives at local, national, and international levels. Government agencies and peace agenda. Develop and implement peace education policies within the formal education system. Fund and support research on peace-related issues and initiatives. Collaborate with NGOs and community organizations to promote peace and conflict resolution. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shokeen Bilal.